fire, it don't take a business place. It want to turn back. Now, so the fire, it the catch. Anyhow, way they. Now, you way with the toxic. So when market is start so, that means it could go round Cameroon. This one is on tradition. Oh, now wait. We get for enter for inside in the proper. Send story for sham morning time. It is toxicity. Send story for sham morning time. It is tell we say, Pikin, where you know the respect your mommy for inside house. One day, he could lack respect for your pa for inside Ngando. Pikin where you know the respect mommy for inside house. One day, he could lack respect for your papa for place for Ngando. Person where send for we, they call him Pa Jonas. Pa Jonas, it is for that side for Widikum, and Widikum too, it is for side for Northwest Cameroon. Ma Esther is supporting for side for Betua. Nangdege, we come back before we could ask what way it happened for site for East region. So me any man a tell you chair she don't quiet because talk a day. Talk a day. And when I talk, you talk, that means say you don't confuse. Number one, when I don't see them, we don't show now for television. Now WhatsApp number. They don't write them for they say WhatsApp. That means say you get for text with message now for WhatsApp. No call the number for now. When I don't hear no, because for Cameroon we over confused. We could stand now for things that way don't happen. Yesterday and today for Shamboning time. Side for Southwest. Banga Bakondo for Carriage for side for Cape Town. Ibi Wowo. I say Ibi Wowo, it will be easy. Those where the people for that side, they can't park their motor. Passenger say me then go. Driver say also you know what to wait for from. Passenger say also I get business for inside Kumba Town. Then driver say also better than say me you take foot for going for side for Cape Town because I nothing risky. People that lied for Sika one person. All these people and them pack so now because of the year gone where they holla. The year had gone in the holla for before. Who be friend for gone? All man it be enemy for gone. Because when party they come, you know they tell you say the corner for you. You go on a year now for your skin, grab. After you go fall for down, the next place now mortuary. All these people that happen from Northwest and Southwest. If they say this matter don't last canton na business. If they say it don't canton na business because military it no say way man way hold gun it for bush it is shidon. Man way it for bush way hold gun it no say way military did. But why they suffer the population and where they know say way enemy it is shidon. Why the population they suffer now? That means the another way they talk say this so when two ever from the fight now grass they suffer. That means it's not true. Because population they suffer, population they die for inside this matter, and where they handle the inside. Man when we start this thing now, and man when we talk say this so you say he don't declare war now. Where we not close and back. Still suffer. Only price for things they go up. Population they suffer. They have na price for things for up. That's why we go for Cape Town for go buy shop. Or for government business for get money. Now they don't come tight for here because of gunshot. That gun themselves they pass na for outside because we don't turn a dog where they with the interbush for go find gun. That gun be fly na fly like a bird for land for inside bush. They say no, it pass na for checkpoint. Who then there for checkpoint? Who then there for checkpoint? When are they insisted so me when I just conclude say all man for Cameroon na Cameroonian. Me they don't ask identity card again. Me they check na wait way there on top carriage where motor carry am and wait way there for backbone. When I say no, na identity card. And some law become say so identity card not they expire again. But there's also the for route. Pip, you know get identity card go shit over down. You know get identity card go shit over down. The more they talk say when I go shit over down, now so gun them they pass inside motor go them. Because they know to check what when motor carry am. The way it not be normal. Yes, where not be number. Me we check now where to where motor carry am. We forget about identity card. Some country they not use identity card. All man na citizen for that country. Now only for Cameroon where identity card they expire, where the man will get the identity card is still alive. They think they pass all man. Me when I try for check that law again, look and find because man of you get book expire, the man they alive. Man began for die and then they talk say this identity card don't expire. But for year, identity card they expire, man will get identity card they alive. we go now for South Upper Banyang. They say na Betoko. I be sure when I say this village, it is so people that when they should over this village, all of them they don't run the interbush. Since for Cameroon we be Thomas, we get for see before we believe. When I see man, no man no day, and who don't make these people then run their village? Who don't make people that run village? They say they so whether not Joe, whether not Joseph. They become saving the population begin to pay 1 million before they remain for inside their village. And they will start to pay. After now, as they don't jet price for petrol, jet price for rice, then too the jet price for the people and where they stay for this village, say they're going to pay now 5 million. Then when they check say they say so who say will take 5 million. Better than say me then disappear. Then disappear, they leave house. Leave market. Leave the business place. They did not inside bush. They did not inside bush. That is the matter, northwest and southwest, it don't last transform now for business. It don't last transform for business. Man way get hurt now, man way the chop flop. Man way the fear, now way it run for a day life. Why this thing we not fit end up? I be talk the other day because when I talk, then say we disagree talk and we the propose now for those where they get country. When they play football match, first half day, second half day, let me so country people. We don't play first half. We be done for turn back for second half so that we see team where don't win. Now I will feed them for top. We don't organize first dialogue when a first half. Second dialogue we get for be second half. For end the matter. With the way now waiting. People they die, they finish. They burn people that house. People they stay for inside bush, they don't turn an animal. They say no. So when you look how this side for Tinto, some villages them where they under Tinto division they suffer. Now we be turn for this for inside that side. For look when they saw this population where they should for the village, they day for outside. Me will go see follow up. Side where they for make a me wanna know. Look at now big mommy that, picking and that, now woman and that. And so one day they will not get food for worker. All them are picking the way they come up for that Bitoko village. For that side for upper Tinto subdivision. See where they sleep. See only mosquito way is there for that bush. Mosquito way there for bush na kill and pay. Big mommy say don't go for bush, he go carry sick. He is sick. How to do that for cover hospital? When I see her, now the people then for that way they should have for that village where show now where they empty. Under that side for Upper Banyang. Now they're not. So they then are inside bush. And when we the same so say me all man come up bush, come for town. What? See picking where they just come up for Bonham. Now in this now for inside bush. I the year sound for gone. When this picking go big, where to go there for inside the heart. And all man for Cameroon. When I go answer me small time. See small picking that the year sound for gone. Then they see how they don't kill person. Me we try way for end this matter. And for end this matter, now only say me we come back for second half for inside field. Second dialogue, national dialogue for solve this matter. Yes, it not been you don't see this man they way with the road will also take a broke foot. You know, worker. After one, they don't come up for that side, they run, go for side for Widikum, and for Widikum now the day. So this one, they say they don't get means for going for Widikum for play with peace a day. Me we look inside this matter. This population not be strangers. Now some of the soil of Cameroon, but see the way they suffer. Leave town, can't remain for inside bush. See the car. It don't make no sense. Me gonna have a site for a place where they call them for conjure. Conjure then for inside and camp. It then for littoral. They see this one now for play where they call say for Mabombe. And we go see the school for Mabombe. CS Mabombe and kind big people in for country, they don't come out for this place. Big people in for country, they don't come out for this school. CS Mabombe. But look the condition where they say as they inside. Mommy, it contribute money. Pa, they contribute money for can be the school. And school fees, they go there for different side. I ask question. Why will they use the population for Cameroon? Why do we use we every day? We say we know to get sense. School fees, it go work, different work. Now when they come on money again, go be school. More money again, pay school fees. That means say when I don't for chucky. That means say when I there for inside a shock. Yes. That means say when I don't for chucky. Because normal, they will get for be the school with the money for school fees. But for Cameroon, any man, he don't turn a fair man. They use people and I use them. Office for director for the school now in this. He did some kind way. Director there for inside house, he office, it is same way, it is turned up for upside. Then where are the ask question? Inside Cameroon for 2024, we still get this kind of problem. We still get this kind of problem. We begin for don't pass for this kind of problem. We don't begin for get problem again concerning school, concerning roads, because money for target, now money will be get for the fee school. Money for school fees, it will get for the classroom. But we take money for business. God makes some for inside money for politics. We go so the suffer. Mawe a wise enough intershock. Now mawe a be number man where it pay. Shock with different man inside. Me we come on now. We reach for site for Bafut. I seen about Bafut yesterday. My 23 for come over womb carry for that site. This one na camion that where they carry na Sansan for go sell for Bamina town for entire house. You see? All the camion that they don't put fire on top. No ask me whether na who burn them because I know be day me day. Now camion then this one they don't light fire. They catch all. This one get lucky say he tired and no burn. Now only the head. He didn't say na fish way it rotted only for head. They say now more than 5 camions than where they don't burn them. And where San Sunday inside there. Woman don't yesterday so they don't burn camion. And where camion na family camion. Can't see all the running. And the one burn and so they decide for take driver, take motorboy, take driver, take motorboy. So that mean motor money come up quick. And they there for inside bush. And they talk to they so any person, be you motorboy or driver, you get for settle control for 300,000 before you see upside. So when I don't see the direction where this matter they go. When we be talk to this, so the early where we solve this problem, the early picking them, they not go get inspiration. The more we waste time, now so picking them inspiration, the enter for insight, the head. This one na man in capital. Where the show now say this so he not gonna live again. Fire still there for someone. Where Asha? We be talk they say we remain a play. And where this thing it be serious matter. This one na serious matter. When the camion get for inside this matter we concern northwest and southwest. This camion them they get weight inside. Those where they don't assure we for Bafut. Say that they protect the population and the property. Where them they now? Who said them they? Before them burn this camion. Those where they protect the population and the property, they don't talk them. We don't show up. Why the way? This thing they so man not the year head for this matter. Man in not the year head. Man where it be depend only for this camion. You go do her now. This thing don't put plenty people in for chômage. Plenty people in the way they don't know side for go again because of this matter. May we look solution. With the back person where a day head boy for disarmament. All the commission where it be come out for national dialogue. If they say the commission, then all they don't die. Oh, now say the commission, they don't go for retirement. Oh, we know the year again commission. We know the year commission again. If commission be there active, sometimes this thing for don't end. Anyhow we did, we go only the look. Me we need now for side for Baminda. They say it be bad. Campfire. They say 20 million rich. Baminda main market. They say business man is just come out for sale. He finish for sale. He log his shop. He take Okada. Anybody for house. Telephone. Cring, Oga. Your shop down the catch fire. Oh. Come back quick. See population. I see population when they come out yesterday for Baminda main market. Now so the fire start. After it generate, take another people that their shop. Some man they tell me say this so, pa, you know say this so. Sometimes in they way market them, they catch fire because of one man. I say how? He said no. Some man they way they go bring a medicine for the drug customer. Another man get the very medicine. After the medicine they fight. When they fight now, the one way pass another one, he shop catch fire. I say now when I sabi wait to wait the pass inside market, I know been man. See the way where the fire don't generate. See under the smoke. Sapeur-pompier, alias firefighters, if we there for outside, they say they saw this one a pass number. Forget whatever for Baminda, they say na goal where we find them for transformer. And they say they saw time where motor, where the lost fire, in the camp, other people they say they saw, they no one see them. See only the way we call in the spark. All my way with the state of corner road, it don't get chance. Say this one, na bad market. Say this one, na bad market. It then they say sometime na day for campaign. This one are the check and are the make revision. Time where SDF be start. Now so it be day. Now so population will ever come out. And they don't come out again for Baminda yesterday. And now fire talk say there's something when come. Now where sapeur-pompier go come. We dead on the dark. They say sapeur-pompier don't work for the yesterday, so they sharp morning time. So with the time, Commandant Tagu, yes, Tagu, na SSF be big man for firefighters for site for Baminda, where they do fine work. Say they don't carry water for Baminda, so they all the water will dry. Yes, say where water be there for gutter, how they drag them. They go even for side from Quen. Carry them, he finish. They go the other side, carry them, he finish. So now so Baminda be there yesterday. Nobody don't talk. Now Tagu, ye all boy them that they come with that motor, that camion. Yes, that camion, a camion where they lost fire. Yes. So they don't try their own best yesterday. If not so, the whole quarter is for catch fire. Another one, now this one will happen for side from Cambe. Government high school for side from Cambe. Yes, government high school from Cambe. Taxi, it don't work for go carry water. For bring a gear for business people and for side for new market and old market. Well, now what happen? Taxi, it last make somersault. I say taxi is somersault na von Cambe. Where would they so? I say na von Cambe. Where would they so? Then one quarter don't come out. Say they so this thing in this man, it go make tradition for a village. Oh, for a quarter. Because they don't understand. And then the time we say they so water to na problem for side from Cambe. Say where peace is there. Water the jam for them na how. See population don't come out. They say the driver don't get small cut. Say the driver don't get small cut. Now way they talk to this so anything from Cambe, nothing we be get for bring a peace. Not in a pieces. Nothing we be get for bring a peace. We talk Asha for the taxi man. Say this so sometime now so it ever happen. So when it happens, so no vex. Yes. When it happens, so no vex. Me, we come up on camera now, we talk which one, we could talk palava this one. Now only for LTM where you feel see them all. Today, it meant number 12 day. Since 11 February, it be passed for site for Nkambe. And when I say when I know where to be happen for Nkambe for 11 February. 11 pass, 12 pass, 13 pass, 14 pass, 15 pass. So tell we did today for number 23 day. That means enough na 12 days. After 11 February, today it make 12 days. Where we have from Nkambe. So take call people that vote, call people that hand, spoil people that face. Where their face now, their face for take and go cry, die for some place. Now, even when we ask question, say the authority they was side from Nkambe, they don't she don't now quiet. That means say the matter be normal. Say me bomb and holla, so they cut people that vote because authority they for inside Nkambe they don't she don't them quiet. No man not the talk. Joe Santa you say quiet, else you're quiet, mayor quiet. Wait till the pass. Today, now 12 days after this incident, we don't see how Mami they don't go for palace. We don't see how tradition title holder then they don't come make a tradition for the very place where this bomb be holla. The next thing now waiting. Because for my own Siam, Women's Day it come. Wait now tomorrow. I talk now Women's Day remain how many days? It could need na say me, Mami them again, they go march for grandstand. Waiting when they send an art, the message for assure Mami they say they so security they not tight for grandstand. No man know the talk. When she don't quiet. When it don't happen, now that time now when I go come on again, they talk. And they beg the authority then say, will they wait the message? Where they get for give for the population. Me Women's Day, me people, the man not match now inside the house with the woman. Me 20 men man not match now inside the quarter. When I come we talk, me we hear the talk, how they talk they go. Where when she don't quiet, any man they fear. We come on now, we turn back again for side where they call them for Motangani, quarter 2. What did we pass from Motangani for quarter 2? They say they so Clara alias Mama. They meet up with their body for road. Then carry arm, can leave arm for you do not. They carry arm for you do not. Where don't die. Akwi, yes. Akwi Clara alias Mama. Then when population come out, neighbor then say no, Clara as they bring his corpse, then she say they so number 3 foot oya in the commodity. They call doctor. Now that man they call doctor. Doctor, who say you there? Come for quarter 2 quick. Because something that will don't happen. Wait, it don't happen. Say no. Come quick for quarter 2. Now doctor, he says he don't tell you Okada. He fly, he reach for quarter 2 for Motengere. He meet up, Mama sleep for down. Where they don't cover him. He check him. She said number 3 foot, oya they come out. They ask doctor, oya they come out for number 3 foot, it means say wait. Doctor say this so, you don't come on na pikin. Say Mama, every day with belly, he don't come out pikin. Nobody talk, he answer this so, Mama, every day over drink whiskey way, he come out for inside pepper. And that whiskey for pepper, it dey burn your intestine. Plenty no know. Now doctor that they explain them. And police from Motengene, he jump quick, he come for quarter 2. And then the time we say this for quarter 10, for site for Motengene, now they were police station day. And now they were Mbanga people them, they get their school. And after they were they should on a meeting. Police they see them, you know they drive them. Yeah, doctor, where to pass with that woman? He say no, now picking way come out. And they say this so your boyfriend, he get hand inside. Huh? Where something can happen for Cameroon, any man they talk it on. This one talk it on. This one talk it on. This one talk it on. Last man no they understand again. Sideway the truth it come out. Me we come out now for that one. We go now for play where they call and say for Manfe. What will happen for Manfe for inside the week? Now driver where they say so gun a miss his neck and then he touch na he head. God in the midst in neck, he touch na he head. And when they come and say, Mr. Peter, alias Piro, they say there's a fine thing, you know, they stay for long for inside Cameroon. We want transfer, or we want transform, fine thing for Cameroon, me turn nothing the way they come out for China. This boy, they say, there's a way you want to go Kumba. Your transport, you know, they flop, it just carry you. When you want to go outside for a cock, your transport not correct. This man, they carry you. Now in this, they say they will catch them. They want enter with them for bush. Ye want run. Now you they give them wrap. So this boy die. Population for Manfred, they cry this driver. They cry driver. And a family brother for iPhone NJANGI house for side for Manfred, Mr. Ekep. When I kept this with black tricot, I kept don't share head. Say they saw this thing, it don't a bun matters go touch bed. All the people who that they don't come out. President for driver union for side for Manfe, he come out. He know we don't see him. Now we see this kind of one. This one where they don't can touch na he. That means a bad. Now the boy that we not feel make when I see I'm fine. We not feel make when I see I'm fine because it not fine for show die body for television. Oh, anyhow we day. When you sleep daybreak, and then you make sure say this so me you thank God, because wait way man they see him. Wait way man they see him for this country. It is past man. You the key person, and when one day you say go die. When you want die now you come for heaven. Where this man be don't be for the be he has turn landlord. Sometimes now you will come for can rent, and when now you be key, he get for torment you. He get for torment you. This life, it is so now. I let it to go and come. Not to do bad for some person, you just say sometimes you don't win. You don't know place where he says it will win you. Yes. So, me we try for low cut. Because you know the worker. You know the worker. We talk now what will be happen to for inside week. Now for that side for boom aviation. Boom aviation now for that side for Garwa. Me we go for Garwa say way. Yes. We go for boom aviation for that place where that boy don't kill papa. Yes. Concentrate for it so that me will go before. When you look they say that's a General Moko. Now you the clean Cameroon. Can one time can clean for this side. I say wait, it don't happen. They say don't bad for site for boom aviation. I say when I call commandant for Pompomre Brigade, he could come for that side, he could tell me what will happen. Now I call Commandant Kalash, alias Commandant Seido. Say this so me come. Abakachi. Now I take a boy them, they enter for that side for boom aviation, they meet up pa. Pa never down now first speaking this. What happened? They say so his small brother, he don't keep her. Say they will get small palapala, now way he decide for go take that stick where they ever put that hanya axe for inside for broke firewood. Say use them. Now pa he head they pa confused. Fuse again na fuse. And then before he land for down the aeroplane. Now pa you room that. And now he close than that. You will rope. So now pa this is sleep for down. Me are the social one. And at the social back. Those when they get this Cameroon. Say me then try for the call meeting. Yes, for sensitize the youth because the direction where you they take them. I see say this country can't cry. Oh no, they know the see them. When we talk so we talk nothing where we don't see. And we see how it can happen. Then when they say then she don't, they know the see and they know the belief because they be Thomas. Then when you them for Cameroon they live. Small time, that's 10 men. Where would I ever call and say, you then, now them could be the leaders for tomorrow. If they give power for youth for Cameroon, people that don't die, they go sell this country. They go sell country for take and buy drugs for the take them. But when they should not honor the worker, they ask an identity card, go for bar. When they say to control because when I begin for close. The men are the thing that where he use them for boogie papa he had day. Pa the bomb picking say me picking can't help me, but picking can't keep pa again. This one no na ballot. Now Satan the worker for Cameroon with blue clothes where don't paint him up with red color. Although plenty for inside Cameroon, they don't join the devil. They don't join the meeting or the NJANGI for devil. Now, why that way? Cameroon, they go left, go right, go before, can't turn up one place. Go for back, can't turn up one place. Now, because majority for Cameroon, they chop with devil for one pan. This is not picking go kill your papa now how. And illness they regret. That way, Gendarmerie Nationale, he don't come. For Pompombre. So with the time, Gendarmerie Nationale for Pompombre, with the commandant, Kalash alias Sedo, as Abakachi. Now them that way they do all and all. For say, me will see him, yes, Commandant Abakachi, they talk for that video for front. If Francois will go for before, we will see him. Yes. Commandant Kalash, they talk for this video after we don't go catch this boy. After we don't go catch him. Yes. It will be easier. They show them for newspaper. They show them for newspaper. Mommy then they cry. Papa then they cry. Mommy they cry, papa they cry. Say they saw their brother don't go. Me we see that play way Abakachi they talk no Mr. Francois. Yes. Now brigada for Pompombe. Now brigade for Pompombe. So they don't carry them, they did them too. Man and you come be. Say now them be joy for key papa. Now you see now brigade commander this Abakachi. Where will he talk? This man now he be come out some operation for Douala. Catch Chinese them with 100 francs. That way one catch him after it turn a problem. And we will do it on a fine. Because we did not catch. After they say no, you know be good for catch him. They send in now for that side for Pompombe. So when you do fine work for inside Cameroon, it instead vex some person because now for the way they chop and we not be normal. Me we go now for the other side. Yes, me we talk now palaver this one. For side for idea. This one when he cover face now because he face is not fine for Siam. This one na state council for side for idea. Why they don't try this to boy them? I don't want them they stay for Karabasi for Douala. Someone it stay for Munkam. And then two, they stay for Idia. When you go to your house, sleep the car, you say you don't die and die. You remove all your kako. Television, they want Siam. Go to the no one Siam. We know they talk again about laptop and computers and telephone. Now, anyway, commissioner, if they talk to this, so this boy them, they don't over torment the population for Idia. The other one, they talk to this, so why they don't carry them, they leave another one way there for Yasa. They say, no, when I get for go. Pistolin now automatic. Say we cancel image. Yes, come back for that email for gone. I want to ask them. Yes. I want to ask them when they did so. Say we did it. I want to ask question whether this gun that they sell them for Cameroon. This gun that they sell them for Cameroon, say we come back for that gun. Now that gun be important. Yes. Cancel image, my post. Yes, put post, voila. And me I will learn you now work. Yes. I dey ask questions so that me all man the year. Me no can talk say to remember me talk na say. These two guns were na automatic. Na kitu them for Cameroon they ever use them. How many the gun it go touch hand for thief people? Where they know they work for inside Kito. Now even all man the check say they so any man when na Kito man where they ever work out gun. When he go work for daytime, he go work with a gun. When he want to go back for house for evening, me keep the gun for commissariat. Keep the gun for brigade. Keep the gun for camp, for army. Me man not go back for house again with gun. If they be vote that kind of law for if a parliamentarian them they vote that kind of law, I go glad. I go glad because we know they understand automatic gun. When there's some kind of people they use them. How manage to man get them? How manage to man get them? That means that they show us sometimes they gun and then for rentage. Or sometimes they don't kill the Kito man, then take gun. Yes. Either they don't kill the man who get this gun, then take gun, or either the man is give him for rent for the people. And when we no one see him again, why would we ever catch the man with gun? Come out at the one for take number for cartridge. They deny. When they ever shoot person, Camera cover of film, the cartridge, they deny. Why would I deny? That means something they will hide them. Something they will hide them. And we not fine. It's not fine. When they put the population inside problem. For Bonaberi, Keto man, he don't talk, say this, so he says he get for go for Qatar, for Saudi Arabia, for go fight Lengano, they ever fight for get their own money. And we don't sign for work the military for Cameroon. Me will go Bonaberi. When we talk with Sean. Bonaberi! Now see what happen. Military man, and we wear clothes for military. And he want turning the image for military people and for Cameroon. Will not be normal. I debate the big man for military. Minister for defense. Me look this man fine. They get for punish this man. This man is deserve punishment. You never carry clothes for military. When you become for be for camp, you carry and become a big man. And where that man now picking son of the soil for Cameroon. Then they wear military clothes and then they know where they are. In the empty skin. And for a whole town, they Bonaberi. A whole town for Bonaberi. See, gendarme don't can stand. He put his hand in the pocket. Now for corner gendarmerie. For Azen Road. Now for corner gendarmerie. Now gendarme that way stand with that tricot the other side. That's the way that man don't go with that yellow cap. Hey, the look cap. It then you normal for you. What will they do? It be normal. When I say, he know they do no nothing. He know they hold a military man. It's tiny. He come, he don't come again. Now different man they pass again. Civilian. Now when they come back, that man will wreck. Now they come back again, military man say, me leave him. But how military man gave away trouser for military, he know where they're up. Now question where they ask them. Now so they train them, they say no. They said no. So military them, they don't call we yesterday, they say this so. Normal, they will get for tie this army man. Go put them for camp. Carry, bring them for office, for minister for defense. So let me they show you how they get for live. When they go training, now so they go train them. Enemy there for northwest, he there for southwest. For same you go show your power for the. You show power now for inside town countryman. You show power for inside town. You for go fight with your colleague. Show you say you get power. See, you don't go carry big stick. The way Monday. It be normal country people. When I go talk, When I go talk. Yes. Yes. Live and countryman. So, carriage now, stranger way we get for before inside house is also there for traffic. How they send we message, but anyhow we did. When you will come, you go only drink na white mimbo, you take color for the route because for Cameroon, mimbo be important. I be tell when I say that's all for Sunday. Yes. Ntondip, son and daughter them, they could shidong, they could get their meeting for this side for back General Hospital. Yes. We go up on for Sunday for 2 o'clock. And this countryman where they come and say Mr. Ngwang Oliver to me, he invite all son and daughter them from Tundi where they shidong for inside Yaounde. Send me them be for your house for this Sunday. Because they get for make fundraising, raise money for buy their plot where they go take and be done to hall for inside Yaounde. When after they go come she don't meeting. So no for your house where they ever she don't meeting though. Me man not talk say this so how Ngwang Oliver don't decide for the cook meeting for transfer meeting for your place. No. Now the branch president to the branch Yaounde branch president where they come and say Mr. Njefa Julius, na he be the branch president, na he don't give order. Say as Mr. Ngwang Oliver to me, na he the cook meeting. So me they come drink meeting na for your house. So na he give order. No na say he don't Ngwang Oliver don't decide no. Na Mr. Njefa Julius don't give order. So they talk to me any man one come. Me you wear your country close they shine. Because country dance and go day, Ndajo go day, Kila go day, Njo go day. Yes. So can dance go day. When you say this, so me yourself, you can't dance. So it not go easy. Even Mr. Ngwa. Mr. Ngwa, go day. Mr. Ngwa, where they will belly so. Sometimes you go born that day. Ngwa, this belly day so it also go up, you see him. So we salute to Mr. Ndokong. Yes, Mr. Ndokong. Ngwang, we there for that side for Dumbu, alias Photo, he watch the program. So now I come back when I say when I hold when I telephone, make sure say you off the volume for your TV before you call, you talk with what you want to talk. Now we come back. So, happy weekend for those where did travel. We did talk happy weekend for those where did they for sick bed for hospital. Say me God he continue to bless one now. We did talk to happy weekend for Manuela. Yes, Manuela. We there for sick bed for site for regional hospital for Baminda and Manuela and one of the victim for that incident will be happen for site from Kambe for 11 February. Emanuela na picking for site for Chup village under Kambe Central and where the Chup youth they get for visit Emanuela today for regional hospital from Kambe for Baminda. Yes, we Mr. Francis. Yes, now he be the national president for youth then for that side. So where you want call off the volume for your TV today? I don't chop okra. My mob this slice today plenty. Hello.
Hello, Moko.
Good morning, sir. Who they call the person there now for site? Yes, but for I'd see her, they don't want camion them for that one aside.
Yes, and they talk about the army man who is the bigger man inside town. So
Yes.
make up for Babuka here.
Huh?
Make up for Babuka meeting for this.
Huh?
Eh?
Ah, you say me? Okay, they fight for Bafo there.
Yeah, make up for Babu.
Hey, Mr. Ngwang. 65060849. Call a devil line. Me a talk wait away a day for inside your belly. Today na Friday, you not get for hide anything for your belly. Move them so that you will enjoy Saturday and Sunday. Fine. Hello, countryman. Hello?
Oh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Ah, now God they protect we.
Yes, I call where I away from Kuno City in that division.
Yes, your own name now.
My own name is Lomis.
Yes. What
I
you
want to
never
talk
talk?
about that Palava ID card when they expire. I can say why birth certificate did they expire and marriage certificate. Me I say that marriage certificate will expire. Why I never bring you trouble, your partner bring you life trouble. We may expire, so I make the marriage finish. So that when I go renew different contract with different service, you say you get problem. Yes.
Okay.
I don't see why ID card girls they expire when human beings see their life.
That's okay. I say countryman.
Yes.
Yeah, you say you recover for side from Jan division.
From the Kono teaching.
Yes. Kono Titi there inside the Jan division.
Yes.
I be here sometime or I be don't see sometime we boy them where they carry gun they should have boys they don't come out all for town. Say peace it don't be but now with the year again say it is hot for that side. What did it happen?
Well, that one concern them. Yeah, they follow that side.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay. We salute all man for Ikondo Titi. They don't start the fixed route for go for Ikondo Titi. Small time it could be in a town. Hello? Hello? Okay. If credit now 100 francs with the beep, that means say we want get wiggle for hand. Hello?
Yeah, Janab Moko, good afternoon.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Janab Moko, na Tata for me, Wabin for old camp from Vensop division, for Bui division of the Northwest region.
Yes, I'm going to come for that side for Saturday so that you put me Irish potatoes. I can carry them. Whether I go use my horse for bring them for you, I don't know. What you get for talk for that side from Boso?
Yes, I want to talk about that to them where they don't put them, Janab Moko.
Yes.
It be now something where it be sorry, all things motu that the hell now we for citizens of this country.
Yes.
I mean, just a problem be there. They will take that driver with motorbike. They may go give them the money. Maybe they leave that motor because even now what did happen? This motor them now motor for our country. Even the country fine or back is still the hell now social with the citizens.
Okay.
Because when we make them so, that means we bring now we country back and the people them back. That means we had now the honor them with and the motor no be the the hell
Yes.
So at the story at the top of the people say we are made tired.
Okay. We take another person. Hello, contraband.
Good morning, Mr. Moko.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, my name is Joseph. I get Yaounde.
Yeah, Yaounde. No name for some quarter.
Yes, I get for Councilor Maba.
Yes. What you get for 10 weeks for 20 seconds?
Yeah, I want to know about that military the big man so.
Yes.
Yes. And it also people like Minister NJANGI where they agree or that any man not the touch military man. When you cannot do it, so when for population to see so it give them attention. Man of fish don't call military to beat it. All respect, you know what you say, you go get that too. As we did so they want how we think the progress.
Thank you, countryman. All man the year. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Daddy.
How you doing now?
You're fine.
Yes. Who they call the person then for which side, sir?
Now Felix a call from Yaounde, Simbok.
Yes. Those who they should have a symbol, we salute them. Wait till you go for talk.
I look this video where the man and the man the biggest man so papa. It's good now so Cameroon and give for behave for your own brother for Cameroon. If you need to me look what that man a meet man to because you that man a meet man. Because how you that man do wear military trouser. In a short time they used to take military people their clothes and wear them, they go for the road. Is that man wear military trouser, now motor they go on a police moto, so how master gonna win a military man, then you even intervene, one man kill another one. So I want big minister try for see what we do with that very young man. May they follow you. Because you good work that they do for road.
But in those days, military them may ever shave their head na korobo. But today we see again, military man they live be for head, so I know they understand. I need the work on an empty skin. Now for the way it don't bad. Hello?
Hello, Sir Moko. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Masa come again.
Yeah, Maza come for siphon tree.
Yeah, I want to talk about that military man we don't beat that man for Douala so.
Yes.
It's not fine because some place they want go for internet that one way they don't be at with them. So when they enter for internet one now, they get a blood. So when they meet that kind of person, they want for only kill him. So we not fine.
How about us siphon tree no contraband?
And she did tonton. I said I'm not forgetting, but I assume about you tonton.
And that's so. Hello, contraband. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yes. One day I go do for that tree. Yes. We'll get for another person again. Hello? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Who they call the person for side?
Yeah, now you know when I take care of your house, Yaounde.
Yes. 20 seconds. I don't time him.
Yeah, I say this man, the root guy, we have this person. So I think Mr. Poatama is the same. Because if not, they not the man so. They don't talk how we been a rebel, been a terrorist. How military man the kind of man for with that kind of? It was just now. See, they like he come out for inside some. I don't know going for general, he going for whose place. I think it's time to look at.
Live on you, countryman. Now say. When I talk say Atangaji no be minister for defense, eh? Yes. No be minister for defense. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, countryman.
Good morning.
I know you off the volume for your TV before we talk.
I don't say
Your name Natinga Village? Yes, what do you get for talk with the AU?
Me I get a talk say all that kind of things over that military man did not that man. Me I look at the way he say Batan he talk give a look at. He say I'm he talk say men man not disgrace military man, men man not touch military man. All the population is same where military man did not civilian so. He say blood is same if I so.
Anyhow we dey. Yes, we go talk to concerning that boy where they be kidnap him, they kill him. Yes, we'll talk to that one where they be kidnap some boy, they kill him for side for Awin. And then we go talk on top. Because with the yes, the man is also the Tontoni. Hello?
Moko, good morning.
Good morning, countryman.
That's man that I gave for boy.
With the you, sir.
Wait, that man hired by college for come home and became beaten for road. Now one of the incidents, the plenty incidents that happen for our country. That means they say the Shibu
I say, what the thing that happen? So one day, we slam man, so one day, Momo go talk. One of the things that happen, so we go slam Momo, so one day, Momo go talk. So the thing is not fine. If they not take decision, the authority they pay, they not take decision. One day, Momo go talk. Thank you.
Thank you. This one, the cleanest taxi man for site for Buya, NJANGI. We salute all man for Dipanda. From my 14 for site for Buya, with great all man from Moko. We salute those who are there for Bunduma. We not forget for salute man where they can say yes, ambiance we there for that site. Lamphon, yes, Lamphon, ambiance we there for that site for Buya. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
I be sure you didn't know they will take different person. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning, who did talk the person there for site?
And it's my name is Clementina, I from Moyoka for Owe Road.
Yes, Moyoka don't come for peace now.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to talk about that army man with the beat that man.
Yes.
They shot me the book, the minute every time we for beat the man with the killer set. How would the big place that kind of way for run and then I send man for corner and then the place they send down for corner. They let me do no notice. If you want me kill a man before the head.
Salute me, mama photo where they for that side for Moyoka. And then there's a man this way, a kidnap Pekin, they go press Pekin in neck after they don't take 500,000. They press Pekin in neck and then the Pekin die, they carry him, go sell him for that side for Tayodi, for that side for Kotaba for 10 million. So with the yesterday, so the man they don't catch him. Some people they say they don't release it. What if we get to talk on top this one too? Me will forget about military. Hello? Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Hello?
Good morning.
Morning.
Who they call the president of which quarter for this country?
You call
For that?
Obamina,
Yes. Give me a name, countryman, for Bamina.
my name is She.
You know one talk your name. Yeah, show you that fire for Bamina. Me begin to talk. Yeah, with the hear you, sir. 15 seconds.
I say, I want to talk about that man with the beat. This man with the beat that woman. That man so.
But we want to you tell me nothing with the pass for Bamina. Wait till the pass for Bamina today.
I think that only fire we don't just store, they don't burn for my people. All cries, all man they cry like that.
But how would I relieve for that Bamina countryman?
Baminda, then so all the whole is that fire zone the whole night this morning.
Well,
And all man don't cry like more than 8 shows they don't burn rapper, then people that business don't burn all for market today.
Well, when I ask we salute all man when they watch the program for side for Bamina. We need to forget those who they did for that side for womb. Yes, we salute all man for womb and those who they did for Bafmen, for Fundong, yes, and for come. Hello? Yes, countryman.
Yes, Mr. Nongana Batiko.
Yeah. Enter this day to read today.
Yes.
What is that tell me, Ongoni?
Mr. Moko is very best with that animal with Peter Manso.
Well,
The Okada man is there for this year.
yes.
The people who are the Okada man. We're lucky. What did it happen to Cameroon? Not fine, not small.
Well,
Let Cameroon change. We not be the big civilian American away so. I'm overvex. Thank you.
okay. We salute Chifu, Madam Chifu, Ivolet, Ma Chifu Ivolet. We did for that side for Tico. We salute to Ma Sido. He did to for that side for Tico. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Yes, who did call?
Elvis from Douala.
Yeah, Douala no mean name for quarter countryman.
For Bonaberry.
Yes. Go ahead now.
I want to talk now about that military man where he beat that boy.
And if you been a Bonabere for play where you did she done.
Yes. Now the people they blame they only call they blame the military man. They don't even know it where that boy do.
That boy be doing away to his brother.
Because that normally those military people then they have a guard. So as they guard for that place, plenty things and they happen with that place.
Now but which place?
For Bonaberry, for corner water, for corner Wuri.
Yes.
Yes, so they don't know which way they happen with that place. Plenty people then do it, they come for this, or one they want even pop or water, they hold them.
Yes.
They get for check for know what the boy do before they blame the man.
Okay. Thank you.
So no, now why that way all man you see even people they come they know they do nothing because they know they don't explain what the boy do before they go there.
Okay, now different man don't explain what the boy do because we don't just see the military man don't do action after climb for machine. We never see any explain for person.
Voila, those people then they got a corner worry there.
Okay, thank you. That man don't yes, he don't talk some talk way. It makes sense. Hello?
Hello, General Moko.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning, who they call the person there for outside?
That Clifford, did you call from Kribi?
Yes. How about Kribi this morning time?
No, Kribi, they found.
They salute all man for Carifo King the way they watch the program. Talk with you here.
Okay, now my problem now for that boy where they kill that Pekin so.
Yes. That boy where they kidnap Pekin.
Yeah, where they say they don't catch them so they don't leave them. You see, you had one tell you so big people they do the way they are handy for back this thing.
Yes.
Because they go do cash my way, don't go kill some small Pekin then they go sell a cash the person now instead them for hold them. In the 1 year how many days they will release them. So I beg make government really fight them. So that may know some of the big people then do it the way now them they really sponsor the kind of thing there.
Thank you. We salute Mr. Ivor way there for that side for Chico for community radio. We salute to Mr. Carter. Yes, Mr. Carter way there for that side for ACO. USSF manager for community radio for ACO. We salute to Shea Omam way there for that side for Donga Amantum community radio DMCR. We salute to those who did there for side for Oko. With the great Oman for that side for a place where they call them for Noni. We salute all the people that when they watch the program from call now, and we salute those who did it for the last market now. We salute all man for Kibo. We salute all man for side for Karatu, and we salute all man for side for Bim. With the great all man for that site where they call them for famous Swiss. We salute all man for famous Swiss. Where they follow the program, we thank them plenty because we be passed for famous Swiss the other day, although they never remind me, but we see how people then flop for see. We don't finish pass. So we thank all man for famous Swiss. We thank those who did for Kribi for Evekam. We salute to share Donatos for site for Kribi, and we salute to those from Manga. We salute all man for site for Loom, and we salute all man for Ngoti. We not forget those who did for Bomaka. We salute all man for Bomyebel, and we salute all man for site for Edia. We did all man for side for Yasa. We not forget the other people that we did for that side for Bello. We salute all man for Bello. We salute all man for Goza. We salute all man up. We salute those for Jakiri, and we the great all man for side where they call them. For side for Garwa, we salute all man for Betoa and for Ngandere. We salute those who did for Odamawa. We the great all man for side for Magba, yes, and for those who did for Malantweng, yes, Malantweng. We salute them, and with the great too. Those who did the side for Wainama, and with the great all man for the other side. We did the call and say we salute all man for side for Taco. We salute all man from Boya, with the great all man for Kovlo, and those who did the other two for side from Benon. Anyhow we did, the program don't finish. Yes, the program don't finish. We could only meet up now for Monday. Yes, we could only meet up for Monday. And Mr. Francois, le programme est fini. Yes. So with the time all man we USSF a concentrate for program, say this program, now with a program, and now when I say self, when I like the program as we say we like when I for upside. What way with the talk? Nothing way I don't see him and mop again for talk so that me a year. If he touch you, no vex because tomorrow it will touch your neighbor. And when you want send we anything will happen for your village, make sure say you make me understand the name for the village and the side where the village day. Because some people then they will send we team them, but they know the talk side way it happen. So we salute Dr. Moses, Tamanjong Moses, where they watch we for site for Douala for Dakar. We salute to the president for Wakoda Douala branch, Mr. Yes Tangwang Collins. Yes, Tangwang Collins. They watch the program for us. With the great Dr. Maji Tanko for that side. For Saint Cantes, we salute you and the family. We salute to Dr. Nditu, he watch the program. Malam Saido, he there for the year poto, he don't stay, we never hear. And then Shea Divine, alias Ngamro, for kilometers time with the salute. Madame Glory, with the side for Central Bar, with the salute to a person where they come and say, yes, with the salute Mr. Christian. Mr. We na Taylor for that side for Ansen Sonen Kololo with the salute to John Francis. John Francis alias John White. Yes, it was we for that side for Douala. You know they ever miss their program. So we salute all man for Douala. We salute those who they did for side for Loom and for that side for Konjok. We salute all the correspondents and we did watch the program. We did together. We salute Madame Maureen. We did for Casino for New Bell. We salute Yerima Richard. Tanfo Jones, they watch the program and we greet those who they did for side for New Bell. Shea New Bell and we salute all the family for that side for New Bell. We greet those we salute to Shea Louis. Shea Louis where they watch the program for inside Yaounde for some place. And then we salute to person where they come and say again. We salute Mr. Shane Changi. Shane Changi, yes. Shea Dering Changi, they watch the program. We salute weekend. We salute Shea Damas. Shea Damasco, yes. Shea Damasco, winner DJ Damasco. You know they missed their program for site for Douala. We salute Mr. Shea Nairobi. We salute Shea West. They shade and they plenty. I was salute Level. Yes, we salute to Time for Me Fanka and Time for Me, yes. Time for Me Ernest Nkambu, yes. All them they did for us. They're plenty, so we don't salute them all. Say anyhow we did. And so we see country. So now we there now for dashboard. They call and say Mr. Francois now the match all button. The other side where we control the sound, camera, and Facebook page. They call and say Landy Sewe doing a lover boy. Yes, now bonbon for chocolate for all a woman for LTM. If you find a woman for LTM, you go for partner through Landy Sewe. Yes, if something they don't talk today. So after the program. You get for go give one shark with shark. Thing we will chop because you on the tron. Yes, you on the tron way, turn the stone. Now don't say man don't drive for you turn mannequin. No me say, no me say go. Now say the condition don't bat. When you be seeing Janga a dry now because the condition be naka. So now so they call me say General Moko the only general for Cameroon where they work our broom for sweep all dirty sand and for watami water carry and go. You know if they live for some country where they smell. You know if they live for inside country where dirty day. So I decide for the sweeper. And the broom where we use them for sweep the country day. All broom it don't cut, it don't finish. Lambert Kevin we say we bring with broom. We never face see him. Tanto Tanda we bring broom. We never see him. Kind people that we say they will send with broom. We never see him. If you see say you know if you do something better than say me no talk him. Because when we not talk no, they don't give you a broom. We know one for sweep. It don't look normal. So better than say me will not talk say when I go send broom where when I know send them. Hold your Android phone so time where you want make video where you know say you go send them for me I show them. You must hold your phone now so. Anything where they pass, you hold and so you video and you send them for we. So Mr. Francois, say where they hear the same, we will go quick. Me will go, we follow you so that me no go disappear. Mama Shago, yes. Happy weekend, we don't go. Bye bye.